On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we continue to explore one of the most underrated neighborhoods in Tokyo, called Nakano. Only a few train stops from Shinjuku, Nakano offers so much to do, and you can definitely spend most of your day there. We will take a look at the Nakano Broadway Mall, the surrounding areas and side streets filled with izakayas, restaurants, and bars. The mall is one of the most popular spots in the area. This manga and anime lover's heaven is filled with collectibles, souvenir shops, and restaurants. Most of the mall is devoted to Japanese pop culture and is considered a mini Akihabara, minus the flashy lights. This multi-story shopping mall's first floor includes local grocery stores and everyday items, but as soon as you start going up, you'll notice the anime and video game memorabilia. Here, you will find more obscure anime compared to Akihabara, which has the more popular ones. If you want to escape Akihabara's busy streets, and you are a fan of video games, anime, and manga, you will definitely enjoy this calmer version of Akihabara. Nakano has more of an old school vibe with a laid-back feeling. While you're there, don't miss out on some of the izakayas. In this local and residential area, you will find so much to explore with something for everyone. While you're here, don't forget to order yourself the famous 8-flavor tower of ice cream in Nakano Broadway Mall's basement. With so many flavors and so much ice cream, it will be a hard task to complete. Nakano has some of the best ramen shops, which are known to be some of the best in the city, and highly recommended. You can find them around station exits as well as restaurant and bar strips. I would definitely recommend to put Nakano on your list of places to see while staying in Tokyo.